Hello everybody, welcome to the Tools Guy. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. In the dynamic realm of electronics, precision and accuracy are paramount, making the choice of the right tools a critical decision for both professionals and hobbyists alike. At the heart of any electronic toolkit stands an indispensable instrument, the multimeter. This versatile device serves as the linchpin for diagnosing, measuring, and troubleshooting electrical circuits with unparalleled efficacy. With a plethora of options saturating the market, selecting the best multimeter for electronics demands a keen understanding of features, performance, and reliability. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 3, OTC 394550. The OTC 394550 series digital multimeter is a reliable and versatile tool designed for various electrical testing needs. Its key features include versatility, capable of measuring AC/DC voltage, AC/DC current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, and temperature, making it suitable for automotive diagnostics to industrial maintenance. Accuracy: the multimeter ensures high-precision measurements and reliable performance, providing trustworthy results for troubleshooting electrical systems or routine maintenance. Durability: constructed with rugged materials, the multimeter is designed to withstand professional use. On number 2, Inova 3300. The Inova 3300 hands-free digital multimeter is a UL-certified product designed for safe and accurate troubleshooting of various automotive and household electrical issues. Key features include: UL certification, ensures the product's safety and accuracy in troubleshooting automotive and household electrical problems. 10 megohm circuitry, prevents damage to sensitive automotive electronics, making it suitable for a range of applications. Versatility, ideal for both automotive and household uses, including outlets, fuses, wiring, general-purpose batteries, electronic hobbies, automotive circuits, breakers, wiring, vehicle battery, charging systems, and electrical components. On number 1, Neotech. The Neotech auto-ranging digital multimeter offers accurate measurements for a range of electrical parameters, including AC/DC current voltage, resistance, capacitance, 4 to 2000 microfarads, frequency, 1 kHz to 200 kHz, and continuity. Key features include a large backlit LCD display for easy reading in low-light conditions, and it comes equipped with a digital meter for precise voltage measurements. The multimeter is rated 8.5 on the BVR scale with 331 reviews, indicating its popularity. Reasons to buy include its precise voltage measurement capabilities, backlit display for dark environments, and built-in safety features for overload protection. However, specific drawbacks are not mentioned in the provided information. In conclusion, selecting the best multimeter for electronics is a pivotal decision that hinges on precision, versatility, and reliability. As we navigate the intricate landscape of electronic diagnostics and measurements, a standout choice emerges, one that seamlessly integrates essential features to meet the diverse needs of professionals and hobbyists alike. The OTC 394550 series digital multimeter distinguishes itself by offering unparalleled versatility, allowing users to measure AC/DC voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, and temperature. So guys, this was the video about the best multimeter for electronics. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.